Sorry, I didn't get you guys to do the whole thing. I just forgot. So we've got the pork. So we're gonna have pork roast in the slow cooker. So all I done, I put oil, salt and pepper in the little, and then so I'm gonna put it in the slow cooker. So I won't put it on until, there we go. Not like some people's. So I put it on low. Thank you for watching how to make pork in the slow cooker with veggies. So we got Shanghai, but roast potatoes and roast carrots and roast pumpkin in the deep fryer. So yummy. It's gonna taste yummy.